y equal to a plus bx into e to the power of kx, where a comma b are parameters, means constants. Find differential equation from this equation. In this equation a and b are two constant, so differentiate this equation only two times and remove a and b values from this equation, then we get differential equation. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, d by dx of y equal to d by dx of a plus bx into e to the power of kx, dy by dx equal to, this is in the form of product formula, so a plus bx is u, e to the power of kx is v, so this is u, this is v, so here apply product formula. We know that product formula, d by dx of uv equal to uv into first function is constant, next differentiate second function v is constant, differentiate first function u, du by dx. So here apply this formula. First function a plus bx is constant, next differentiate second function d by dx of e to the power of kx, next second function is constant, e to the power of kx is constant, differentiate first function d by dx of a plus bx, dy by dx, let dy by dx is y1 a plus bx, d by dx of e power x is e power x, so d by dx of e power kx is e power kx, next again differentiate internal part, where internal part is kx, so d by dx of kx plus next e to the power of kx, here d by dx of constant a is 0, next d by dx of bx means b is constant and d by dx of x is 1. Since d by dx of e power x equal to e power x and d by dx of x equal to 1, d by dx of constant is 0. y1 equal to a plus bx into e to the power of kx, where k is constant, d by dx of x is 1, so k is constant, d by dx of x is 1 and e power, next e power kx into b, e power kx into b, this equal to, so a plus bx into e power kx into k plus b into e power kx, this is y1, this is equation 1. From equation 1, a plus bx e to the power of kx value is 1, so y1 equal to y into k plus b e power kx. Since from equation 1, substitute from equation 1, a plus bx into e to the power of kx value is y, so we get y1 equal to ky into b e to the power of kx. From this equation, find b e to the power of kx value. b e to the power of kx equal to y1 transpose ky value left hand side minus ky, so this is equation 2. Next, this is also equation 2. Next, differentiate equation 2 with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating equation 2 with respect to x on both sides. So equation 2 is d by dx of y1 equal to d by dx of ky plus b e to the power of kx. So this is nothing but dy1 by dx. Here k is constant. Separate the differentiation. D by dx of y plus here b is constant. D by dx of e to the power of kx. So let dy by dx is y to k. So dy by dx is y1. Let dy by dx y1 plus b d by dx of e power kx. So differentiation of e power x is e power x. So differentiation of e power kx is e power kx. And again differentiate internal part, where internal part is kx. So d by dx of kx. y2 equal to k y1 plus b e power kx. So d by dx of kx is k is constant, d by dx of x is 1. So k is constant, d by dx of x is 1. Since d by dx of x equal to 1. y2 equal to k y1 plus k into e to the power of kx, k into e to the power of k into b e to the power of kx. y2 equal to k y1 plus so from equation 2 e to the b into e to the power of kx value is y1 minus ky. So substitute b e to the power of kx value in this equation. K into y1 minus k y from equation 2. So simplify this equation. y2 equal to k y1 multiply k by total term, k into y1 k y1 plus into minus minus k into ky, k square y. y2 k y1 both are similar terms, add two terms, 2k y1 minus k square y. Next transpose left hand side values, right hand side values, left hand side we get minus 2k y1 plus k square y equal to 0. So y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square minus 2k y1 means dy by dx. So dy by dx plus k square y equal to 0. This is required differential equation. Problem completed.